Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. It is officially October, so you'll be seeing a lot more videos coming up. In this video, I'll show you from start to finish on how I created this scary mermaid look. Don't forget to follow my Snapchat and Instagram, all at Sarah Mudel.
Strike the root of this tree, it's falling soon, making a clearing. Strike the root, it's time to sing, calling to you and me. Strike the root.
Right, I've left this bit to last because pretty much I can't eat, I can't drink, I can't talk when I'm wearing it. I suppose if I got a straw a bit. So pretty much waiting for this to dry. I need a straw. I really want to drink. Should have thought this one through.
See